Everyone, my name is Ishika Ponika and my topic is proof techniques by contradiction. Let's start with it. Introduction to proof techniques. Proof by contradiction is a powerful technique used in mathematics and computer science. It can be used to prove the correctness of algorithm and to analyze their performances. This technique is particularly useful for demonstrating the absence of certain properties or outcomes in algorithm. What is a proof by contradiction? Proof by contradiction is a technique where we assume the opposite of what we want to prove and then show that this assumption leads to a contradiction. Once we find a contradiction, we can conclude that our initial assumption was false and therefore the original statement must be true. Importance in algorithm design. Proof by contradiction plays a crucial role in algorithm design. It can be used to establish the correctness and efficiency of algorithm. By proving the absence of errors and or inefficiencies, developers can confidently rely on this algorithm for reliable solutions. Basic steps in proof by contradiction. There are four basic steps for proof by contradiction. First, assume the opposite. Second, derive the consequences. Third, find a contradiction. Fourth, conclude the original statement. Let's start with first topic. Assume the opposite. Start by assuming that the statement you want to prove is false. Second, derive consequences. Use these assumptions to derive logical consequences. Second, find a contradiction. Show that these consequences lead to a contradiction, something that is obviously false or impossible. Fourth, conclude the original statement. Since assuming the statement was false lead to a contradiction, the original statement must be true. Example, sorting algorithm. Let's take an example. There are four steps of this. First, assume the opposite. Assume the algorithm does not always sort list correctly. Second, find a problem. Try to find a list where it fails. Third, derive a contradiction. If we find that no matter what list we try, the algorithm always works correctly, we have contradicted our assumptions. And let's come to conclusion. Thus, the algorithm must be correct. It's today's last slide. Proof by contradiction is useful because it helps us to verify algorithms and data analysis method by showing that assuming the opposite leads to impossible situation. It is powerful way to confirm correctness indirectly. Thank you. We have done for today. Thank you.